What's up, y'all? Grenade Mar here. I'm back with another bomb tutorial for the busy, buzz, the lazy, the curious, and the fab. Today I'll be showing you how to install some lash strips. It's so easy to follow along.
Bomb beauty tips like confetti. Grenade Mar. Yeah, Grenade Mar.
Hey Poos, Grenade Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one every Friday and Sunday. I'll also be throwing bomb beauty tips on my social media at Grenade_Mar. Here's what you'll need to follow along. Bae, I know you ready to slay. So it's time to drop the beat and bomb out this face. Alright, so I'm first going to start off by drawing a line from the middle of my eye to the end of my eyes. Voila. Alright, so now that I have my line drawn, you can use whatever glue that you want.
But I'm using hair glue.
Comment below some lash glues that you guys recommend out there, because this is the only one that works for me. That doesn't leave like that white residue or anything like that. But then again, I'm not very adventurous when it comes to lash glues. So let me know what's working out there for you guys, if you guys aren't using hair glue as well. So I got my hair glue on my Qtip. Let's sit for about six seconds. Let her dry, let her dry. I could put them on my fingers, but we're gonna do it with the actual, and I'll be looking down because it's better. It's better to look down. And I'm starting at this end. Okay. And then I'm pushing this down. They can smudge together. Almost done. Now that the lash glue is on there, you want to draw a line from your tear ducts, which is where you cry out of, and you want to make it a smooth line so your lashes look like your lashes. Okay, let's get it. I usually don't use pencil. I usually use a an angled brush because it's just more easier for me, but we'll use a pencil today. You guys will see what I do. Boom. Thank you all for tuning in to another bomb tutorial. Catch me right here for more content every Friday and Sunday, and on my social media at Grenade_Mar. May your day be as bomb as you are.